Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm going to take this radio that Gary sent me. It's similar to the one that Jeff loaned me, and as I mentioned in a previous video, it does not work. He said that when he last used it, which could be several years ago, it worked. So I'm hoping it's going to be something simple. So I've already taken the screws out. There's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already taken those out so I can get to the back of this, and we'll zoom in. Let me come here to my camera and we'll zoom in just on the radio, hopefully. And get as close as we can. There's pretty good, I think. We'll close that, and now we need to move things around a little bit. So here's the radio. I really don't see anything obviously that's a transistor. Could be, and it could be parts on the back side. So first thing we want to do is we want to check to see if, get this stuff out of the way here on the side, if we're getting power from the battery holder to the circuit. So I got a couple of batteries here. Now I should be using, although it's not as important with analog stuff, I should be using a ground strap, but I can't find my ground strap. So hopefully I'm not going to zap anything. And I've been told many times that I have no potential, so it shouldn't be a problem. So I'm going to put those in. Okay, then I'm going to turn it over, and I got my little cheapo meter here. I'm going to turn that on DC. And here's the 2 leads right here. There's ground and there's positive. Whoops. Let me get it on here. Okay, what are we doing wrong here? I'm not getting any voltage. Oh, I'm measuring the wrong place. Okay, here is ground, and here is 2.5 volts. This battery's a little weak. I think this is a capacitor. Not sure what it's doing there, but there is a voltage on the side that goes over to the radio. So I got a voltage here. Now, turn it on, nothing, still nothing. We'll check the leads, see if they're tight. Yeah, there's something connected there, something connected there. So it looks like, as far as I can tell, now they're soldered on the other side, so I can't tell for sure, but they're not loose, so they're connected to something. Now, let me I got my magnifying lens on, and excuse the back of my head. I'm looking at the switch that turns the radio on and off, and is the volume. I see, I'm looking really close on super high magnification. I see where it's kind of a little bit charred, and there's a little lever arm pushing on a contact, and it's right now with it off, it's pushing the contact away. When you turn it, it moves out of the way, and then it should close the contact, providing power. Apparently it's not doing that. Maybe that might be the problem. So let me get my magnifying thing out of my way. So we're just gonna take a screwdriver and just very gently scrape away some of that soot, I call it, and see if that's causing it to be insulated and not letting power come to the radio. So let's try now. No? Okay. Let me get my magnifying glass on again. And okay, so it's making, I can see the 2 metal pieces that need to make contact. Now I need to find something that is not conductive. I was looking for a Q-tip, but where are my Q-tips? My Q-tips are buried someplace. Okay, we'll use the back of this paintbrush. It's plastic. And then we'll kind of, let me get my magnifying glass on again. I'll brush this off. This brush. Oh! 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 It's working! It's working! And it's working good! Let me turn the volume down. Yeah, I need some contact cleaner there. These contacts, and I'll use this, I'll use a pen here with these two let me see if I can zoom in a little better for you. I don't know if I may be maxed out on my zoom. Let me see. I want to just try to show you up close what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got more zoom. I got lots of more zoom. We're going to go way in. Okay, that's about the best I can do. Okay, we're going to say okay. So now we're zoomed in. Whoa, boy, it's intermittent. So let me turn the volume down. Scratch it too. That needs to be cleaned. So here is a little contact pad over here, and I'm going to even go a little further. Let me get up here and grab the camera, and I'm going to move the camera down to get more zoom. Okay, I got to tighten this up. Sorry for the delay. We don't want the camera to fall in. There we go. That's about maximum zoom I can get. You can see it's shaking. Okay, so there's a metal contact strip right here on the side, and then the other contact is down here. And then this little wheel here has a finger that sticks out, and when you turn it off, it pushes this contact back. When you turn it on, it lets this contact go forward and touch this pad here, making the connection. That connection right there is the problem. That needs to be cleaned. That is all that's wrong with this radio. So I can turn it back on again. And you can also hear the volume control itself is dirty. So this all needs to be cleaned with some detox. And it should work. Let me tune a different station. Oh, my finger down here. There we go. It's working. How about that? My luck has changed. So that's max volume. And I don't know if you can see this thing moving, but it's got a little lever, and I'm turning that lever. It's coming up on the contacts, and it's now, and it clicks, and now it has pushed the contact on this side away from the contact on that side. That's how it works. All right, success for me. Yay. Thanks for watching, and thank Gary for sending me these videos. I had a little fun with it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.